With the pursuit of national health, Onyx Healthcare focuses on the R&D and manufacturing of medical equipment through technology integration in the information industry. We market our products globally with our own brands and provide ODM, OEM, EMS professional OEM services. The current main products include our AI-ready medical PC, all-in-one medical panel PC, medical tablet, mobile cart computer, medical display, and medical UPower bank for medical AI, telemedicine, mobile nursing, digital mobile OR, emergency care, and medical imaging with uncompromised quality to the global healthcare market. Through a complete supply chain management system, we provide customers with the fastest and most accurate product design and service support. Onyx Healthcare uses intelligent automation technology to optimize product production processes to reduce downtime and strengthen productivity through optimization processes. We integrate intelligent automation and robotics technology into existing equipment and factories, deploying fast, customized production lines within the factory to add value. Onyx Healthcare has passed ISO 13485, 14001, 9001, CE, FCC, medical certifications and patents, and won the Taiwan Excellence Award, National Innovation Award, UK Best Medical AI Solutions Developer Award, Best Choice Award. Our production line relies on a certified high-quality management system which, through the most advanced production equipment, experienced R&D team, and mature supply chain platform, helps customers design unique products according to their needs and create solutions that are sustainable, cost-effective, and meet product requirements. Onyx Healthcare also has complete system integration capabilities to meet customer needs. At Onyx, our employees are our most important asset. Onyx Healthcare is based on integrity, excellence, innovation, and being people-oriented. Our business philosophy is to let everyone develop science and technology through medicine, and to be satisfied and proud of our innovative efforts.